Wow! Please, do it again.
Do you know who that is?
No. Is a magician?
Famous magician in Las Vegas.
Okay.
Very famous, probably #1 magician in the world. Have you ever seen this game that play in Las Vegas? They'll take 3 cards and they'll mix them around a table,
Okay.
and you have to guess which card's which. Or they'll
Okay.
put a ball under a cup. They'll mix the cups around.
Okay,
Where's the ball?
cups. Okay.
It's just a scam. Don't ever play those games, okay? They change the method of the game when it's finally time for you to bet money. This is what I do back to those people to try to give them a taste of their own medicine, but also win some money for myself. So we're gonna play hypothetically, okay?
All right.
This is the same idea, but I use 2 cards and I do it in your hands. Go like this. Hearts. Hold on to it with your thumb right there. So hold the card just the way I am, perfect. So what card are you holding on to? What is it?
The ace of hearts.
Hearts, perfect.
Hearts. Okay.
Just hearts because we're also going to use this card. They're 2 similar looking cards, so it's easier to remember.
Heart and diamond.
Perfect.
Okay.
I'm gonna take diamonds, I'm gonna switch the cards so fast that you won't even see it. It's gonna be a stabbing motion like this. It's gonna look like steal it from underneath, cool?
Okay.
So here's hearts.
Right.
Same move, real switch, watch, right there. Now without
my
looking, the real switch, right there. Without looking, this is the part where hypothetically you would bet. What card would you bet is on top?
The heart. Heart.
So you don't think I switched it?
No. The heart.
You don't think I switched it then?
No.
You think I lied, made the whole thing up?
No, I don't think you lie, but I think it's a heart. When did it happen?
Tricky. Magic.
Oh my god! Wait a second. When did this happen? Hey, hold on. What the hell? Oh yeah, my bad. Oh my gosh. That's mega tight. Because there's a whole different card. What the hell?
Flip your hand over.
Like this? Oh my god! Oh my god, you're good! Oh my god!
Like I said, as soon as it's time for you to bet, they change the method of the game.
Oh my gosh, that's hecka tight.
What in
That is crazy.
hell? How you did that? So,
That is
make
cool. That's hecka cool.
That's tight.
Oh my.
That's tight. You better than Chris Angel.
Like,
He better than Chris Angel. Okay? I said it. Straight from me.
So you want to be like this magician?
Thanks for watching, you guys. Come back tomorrow for a different magic trick performed out in the streets. I'm Jarek120 of Disturbed Reality. Comment and like this video. Check out my second channel for weekly vlogs, best life I ever had. Catch you tomorrow. Peace.